Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Next, the most appropriate treatment for panic disorder is we give short-term benzodiazepines with SSRIs plus cognitive brain therapy is given for panic disorder.
panic disorder. In this, uh, short-term benzodiazepines will start decreasing the heart rate and decrease the patient's stress, whereas SSRIs will decrease the anxiety of the patient. And along with that, cognitive brain therapy is very important in order to prevent future attacks for the patient. Thank you and thank you for watching.